The title of this book is called A New Pet. It is important to know that this type of book is a fiction book. That means the people in this book and the animals in this book are made up. And also, the events or the things that happen in this book, they did not really happen. We are going to work on recalling and retelling events or things that happened in the story. One day, Ben decided that he wanted a pet, but he didn't want just any old pet. I want a pet that is bigger than big. I want an enormous elephant. I'll take her on walks. I'll teach her to roll over and fetch. I agree that an elephant would be fun, Mom said, but this book says that pets need plenty of room to play and grow. Ben wondered if a jumbo elephant would fit in his bedroom. So the event that just happened is Ben, what did he ask for? That's right, an enormous elephant. What did Mom say when he asked for the elephant? She said that the book said that she has in her hand that elephants need lots of room to grow. So the next page, I want you to pay close attention to the events that happen because I am going to ask you after what happens. I want a medium elephant, Ben said. My elephant will be so popular on pet days she can eat lunch with me. Mom nodded. That certainly would be interesting, but pets need plenty to eat, and they need lots of water too. At Pug's pet store, a puppy yipped and yapped to get Ben's attention. She rolled over, she wagged her tail. I'll be a responsible pet owner, Ben said. I'll start by giving her the coolest name ever. I'll call her Ellie Font.